So, welcome back to the data cleaning session. In this session, we are interested to codify the variables. The instructions that I have received, first gen, column B, no for 0, yes for. If we see first gen is this. If we see the data, first gen 0. So simply we have to codify it like this here. We have two codes. No first gen 0. When we say 0, it means no. When we say 1, it means yes. Edit. Okay. Similarly, the other column is age is coded in a traditional age. So if we see 1 and 0, the other variable that is this one. This is 1 and 0. This is basically the age variable. Age. You can just write it age. And okay, one for traditional 18 se bias. Okay, add it here. Two, sorry, it's two, not two, it's 0. 0 is for non-traditional older than 22. Edit. Press OK. So Pelgran. It's Pelgran means Pel. The variable name is just Pel. P-E-L. Pel. So the coding for Pel is again 0 for no, 1 for yes. 0 for no, 1 for yes. Okay. So one last thing is is to create the combined variable. So for that, what we're going to do is basically we will go to transform, compute variable. We can write here sum underscore post, and then we can take the sum. Here you can see arithmetic. Now it will be somewhere statistical. When you go down, you can see statistical. When you click it, then you can find a number of options here like mean, median. But here we are interested to use the sum. Press sum, and it will show you a bracket. So now what we're gonna do is basically we have to select each variable one by one here, and then comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, 4 comma, 5 comma, 6 comma, 7 comma, 8. Alright, so like this we have created the sum post variable. Now just press OK. It shows you that compute sum, the variable has been created. We can check in the variable section if it, yes, it has created. So up till now we are now done with the data cleaning process. All the data is cleaned.